Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you are doing well. So guys, I'll be doing something fun, aesthetic and a little bit craziness at the same time in this video because this challenge was given to me by my sister, and the challenge is I have to eat only pink food for 24 hours. Yes, from breakfast till dinner, only pink food. So no cheating, and also this is going to be a real challenge because it's not easy to find pink food where I live right now. It's going to be very difficult for me. Also, I feel like I might fail this challenge because there is no pink food at all. So, but let's hope for the best. And also, guys, to match with the team, I have worn this pink t-shirt. So let's see how this goes. And also for breakfast, I'll be having pink pancake and I don't have any, literally there's nothing to eat like which comes under pink at home, so that's how I will survive for breakfast. And also for the rest, I have to go to the market to search for some pink food, explore the market, and I am pretty sure I won't find anything much because this is village market, so what do I even expect from the market? Also, after breakfast I'll go to the market, and guys, that's like it's going to be a real challenge for me, so please watch till the end. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and guys, watch till the end. That's it for now, so let's go make breakfast. Not bad. So guys, this is what I got from the market. The chips, this is pink and pink dark. This, it was a little bit of pink, so I got this and Maggie, and also some sweets and this I like bought. So guys, I'm making my lunch right now. It's already 12 something. So I'm gonna have this crazy kurkure and mama. So let's see how this tastes with the ketchup, because just to make some weird combo, you know. All the best. Oh, I know what it, guys. Let me show you how much I got. Literally, do you guys even see? Not bad. So next one is this mama. I got something. I got what's this? Bhim ki shakti. Come try. Rami calling. That's a sauce. Not bad. It looks so pretty. Like it's going well in my top as well. It's fine, it's good. Because of the color, I'll give 10 out of 10. The taste is good only because we usually drink like this. Here comes this. So guys, it's pink, but I don't know why you guys can see it like orange. I think it's because of the light, but it's fine. So yeah, my first bite for you guys. Guys, it's so good, man. I'm not lying to you guys, it's literally so good. I didn't expect that it will turn out like this, and it's good because of the pork as well. Guys, it's literally so good, so good. And I thought I was vlogging, but later on when I came to check the camera, I came to know that I was just keeping the phone on the tripod and I was just cooking. So I couldn't give them, you know, recipe, but it is so good, literally so good. think I added too much of fat. It's coming on my head. If you guys wanna try this, let me know in the comment. I'll drop them recipe. So now let me go think what I'll eat for my snacks and dinner. Till then. So guys, for evening I don't want to have anything. I was actually craving some sweet, so I'm gonna eat this pink rasgulla.